Hi guys, namaste. So today I'm here to discuss few techniques for space cleansing, and it could be your home space, it could be your office or workspace, and also your personal space. So follow this video till end and you will have amazing, simple yet powerful healing and energy clearing techniques for your space. I'll see you. Hi guys again, and I am Girija Yarodekar and welcome to my channel. And here we are discussing few techniques for space cleansing. So why space cleansing is necessary, or why you should clear your space, so that when you are clearing your space you are making more and more room for good energies, for new energies. And uh, in our spaces there is so much of energy, frequencies, vibrations are traveling in the form of communication, in the form of intended thoughts and intents people have for each other, or there are also frequencies and energies those are traveling through media, or the information that is traveling at the speed of the light, and all the vibrations those are created within our surroundings. For example, if there is an heated argument in a specific room, or in your house or in your workspace, so those frequencies keep on traveling and circulating in that particular space, right? And there are high chances that if you are visiting that space again, you will sense the vibe, or that kind of energy is likely to take place. You might repeat the argument, or you might repeat the heated discussion, because that energies are stuck in that particular space. So with regular cleaning, dusting and decluttering, there are certain techniques those will help you to break the energy or the frequencies those are flowing into your space, into your energy field. So here are few techniques that I will be discussing, and these are, I highly recommend them because they have given me very good results, and those are easy techniques. There could be few techniques which you already might know. So let's start with the space cleansing techniques. The very first I would explain, this is the Tibetan bowl, or you can call it as a singing bowl. So any sound if you are making, you can also use a sound of the bell, because all these metals have tremendous healing power, and they help you to cut the vibrations those are lingering around. So this is an amazing technique. You can use the singing bowl, or you can also use the bell, because especially singing bowl or the Tibetan bowl, this is made up of 5 metals or 8 metals, popularly known as Panchadhatu or Ashtadhatu. And this is supposed to have a very auspicious and very soothing, calming energy. In many cultures we do use sound, and it can heal and help you to break the lower density vibrations, and you can invite more positive and more higher frequencies. This sound is very very soothing, and you can also use to cleanse your own personal energy. Just you need to have an intent, raise the intent that with this sound let the space get cleansed, or also let my aura get cleansed, and so on. Whatever is your intention, you just put through it before you start using this sound. So sound can be an amazing healing thing. So normally you get this singing bowls in crystal shops, or you can also check it online, and also you might get this in certain handloom and handicrafts exhibitions or Tibetan exhibitions. So at present, exhibitions might be difficult to find out certain exhibitions. You might check online. So these are this is an important technique that you can use. And the next technique is using the rock salt. This is the rock salt, or popularly known as khada namak. This is also used for cooking. So there are multiple uses of this rock salt. You can sprinkle this rock salt into each of the corners of your house or of that space, keeping an intent that may all the dense energies get absorbed in this salt, because the crystals or whatever the chemical formula of this salt is, it has the ability to absorb the lower and higher densities, frequencies and energies. So you can keep it in a glass bowl in some corner of your house or in the space, and you need to replace it every 8 days or 10 days, however it is comfortable for you. So this is an amazing technique that you can use to cleanse your space. And many a times you will experience that if there are more higher and dense energy in the surroundings, you will see that this salt will turn black, or it will you will see different changes that normally we don't see in the salt. And other way of using this rock salt is you can put it in the water and you can mop the floor, right? And also you can keep this rock salt in a small container, in a small bowl, and you can keep it near your bedside. So any lower vibrations, if you are carrying personally, that will get pulled into that rock salt. So the important thing is raise an intent with however you are using it, and regularly replace this salt. Don't forget to replace this salt. Yeah. So another technique, and one of my personal favorite technique, is to burn this we call it as dhoop, and it is made up of different ingredients. Those are very healing, and it will also help to break the dense frequencies. It is normally used by many of us, we all know about it. But also while using this, raise an intent, like if you had an heated argument or if you had an heated discussion on a telephone. Yes, and that reminds me that even gadgets can emit very dense energies. Yeah. And so you can just burn it. This is easily available in the stores, and you can just one in the morning, one in the evening, or if you are in the habit of meditating, you can use it before meditating. So it has beautiful fragrance, and also all the ingredients, those are used for this particular dhoop thing. It will help you to cleanse, activate and energize your space. Yeah. And the next technique that I would like to show you is to use an oil diffuser. So this is the oil diffuser, where you put an candle inside, and here above there is this water with few drops of oil. Yeah, it is quite heated, so I am keeping it down. I have just poured few drops of lavender oil. You can use any oil of your choice, of your liking, and also the smell of that oil or the fragrance of that oil, that will help you to cleanse and activate the energies into your space. It is a very simple technique. There are beautiful diffusers, those are available. We also get electric diffusers, and the fragrance remains long lasting, and you also feel very fresh and good in the environment when there are diffusers. And if you are talking about burning thing, I also recommend burning camphor. So camphor, this is the camphor. This is also easily available. It has very soothing smell, fragrance, and in many cultures camphor is used for different utilities, for different things, and it has a bit strong, but the smell is very very soothing. It relaxes you, and if you are just burning it and you are moving around into your house space, into your office space, that could help you by giving good feeling, by breaking the energies and again inviting the good energies. Another way for cleansing your space is keeping raw crystals in and around. So this is an amethyst, this is an clear quartz. These are raw crystals. You can also keep the polished ones, but again with the crystals you have to raise an intent, because crystals have the power to amplify the energy. It works on your intent. So every time you have to clear the crystals and download them with the intent that you want, like let my space be cleansed, or thank you for absorbing the lower vibrations or dense energies. And by inviting the higher density energies, the higher frequencies, not higher density, higher frequencies. So you can you can ask me, like I am a crystal therapist, I am into crystal healing, I can recommend you crystal for different requirements if you have, for house space as well as for office space. So these crystals, as they amplify the energy, they also absorb the energy. So it's all about the intent, and also it is important to cleanse your crystals regularly. So every 8 days, 15 days, however it goes with your routine, it is important to cleanse your crystals. And there are few other techniques, like many of us are habituated to be in ACs, to be in air conditions, and we forget to have natural ventilations or natural sunlights into our spaces. So for some time in the day, especially early mornings, you can just open the doors and windows wide open, so that you can invite fresh sunlight, fresh air that will circulate into the space, because sunlight is the ultimate cleanser. It will help you to cleanse the entire space. Also, you have to cleanse your own energy system regularly, and also consciously choosing your thoughts, intentions, and what you are wishing for others, that also matters. Because if you are wishing not very well for others, that will be hitting you, that will be rebounding you at the double speed, and its intensity will be multiplied. So it's important, what are you intending for yourself, as well as what are you intending for others. That also matters when we are talking about the space. Yes, if you have more loving thoughts, loving intents, or more of higher frequencies, you will be inviting similar frequencies into your experience. So here are few my tried and tested techniques that I practice them daily. And I would also like to know if you are following any particular space cleansing technique. You can comment down in the comment box, or you can email me. I would really like to know what you guys do for your space cleansing, and I would definitely like to learn and try new stuff if you are having. So here are multiple techniques. Whatever you feel resonated with, you can start using that technique. I would recommend try it at least for 11 days, one particular technique, and see you might what difference you experience. So here it is. And if you like to book any session for crystal healing, tarot reading, or theta healing, I am also specializing into past life healing, ancestral healing, and DNA healing. So do get in touch and do let me know. I am putting the contact details into the description box below. And I'm signing off. It was amazing talking to you guys, and thank you so much. If you like this video, or if you would like to know more about energy, more about crystal, more about healing, so please do comment and like, share, and subscribe this video. Thank you so much, and you have a nice time. Thank you.